Hi friends, welcome to your channel Taylor Achievers. Today I explain JEE mains problems from hyperbola. Okay, I explain here. Today mainly I explain 5 problems. First one is equation of normal to 9x square minus 25y square is equal to 225 theta equal to pi by 4 is. Okay. Here solution. First of all, we take given hyperbola. Given hyperbola 9x square minus 25y square is equal to 225. Divide on both sides with 25 here. 9x square by 225 minus 25 y square by 225 is equal to 225 by 225. Here 9 1 jar 9 2 jar 18 45 9 5 jar 25 1 jar 25 9 jar 225 ones 225 ones. So here x square by 25 minus y square by 9 is equal to 1. Take this is first equation. Here what you want? Equation of normal of 9x square minus 25y square is equal to 25. He wants us equation of normal to 9x square minus 25y square equal to 225 at theta equal to pi by 4. So we use theta pi by 4 given theta equal to pi by 4. So here equation of normal of hyperbola, that is ax by secant theta plus by tan theta is equal to a square plus b square. So here theta value pi by 4. So here a value, here we find a square is equal to 25. Here a square is equal to 25. That implies a is equal to 5. Similarly, b square is equal to 9. That implies b equal to 3. Okay. Ax, that means 5x by secant theta value pi by 4 plus by b value 3y by tan pi by 4 is equal to a square means 25 plus b square is equal to 9. So here 5x by secant pi by 4 value root 2 plus 3y by tan pi by 4 value 1 is equal to 25 plus 9 34. So here let us cancel on both sides with root 2 in the place of denominator. We get here 5x plus here root 2 not there means, so here cancel means here remains 3 root 2 y is equal to here also not there, so multiply numerator denominator with root 2, here cancel, here we get 34 root 2. This is the required equation of normal of given hyperbola. So here first solution is complete. Now here second solution. Here also he gives us hyperbola. He wants us equation of tangent. So given hyperbola 4x square minus 9y square is equal to 1. Write in the hyperbolic form. That means x square, here 4 no need, that means 1 by 4 minus y square by 9 no need, 1 by 9 is equal to 1. Why? Because hyperbola is in the form of x square by a square minus y square by b square is equal to 1. Here also it gives us theta value pi by 6. So equation of tangent of given hyperbola at theta is equal to pi by 6 is, here formula is x by a secant theta minus y by b tan theta is equal to 1. So here a square value 1 by 4, here a square is equal to 1 by 4, that implies a equal to 1 by 2. Similarly, b square is equal to 1 by 9, that implies b equal to 1 by 3. So here x by a value 1 by 2, secant theta value pi by 6 minus y by b value 1 by 3 z 1 by 3, here also tan theta, tan pi by 6 is equal to 1. So to keep in the place of numerator 2x secant pi by 6, secant pi by 6 value 2 by root 3 minus 3 keep up 3y, tan pi by 6 value 1 by root 3 is equal to 1. To do the 4x by root 3 minus 3y by root 3 is equal to 1. So here take LCM under, take that side, you get here 4x minus 3y is equal to, here LCM root 3, take that side, 1 into root 3 means root 3. This is the required equation of tangent of given hyperbola 4x square minus 9y square is equal to 1 with eccentric angle pi by 6. So second sum also completed. Now explain third sum. Here solution, given hyperbola x square by 16 minus y square by 9 plus 1 equal to 0. Here a square value 16, here a square is equal to 16, that implies a equal to 4. Similarly, b square is equal to 9, that implies b equal to 3. Okay, we get a and b. Here a point P on the hyperbola, a point on hyperbola P. Here this P point a secant theta, b tan theta. So here that is equal to a value 4, theta value here a secant theta, b tan theta. So here theta value we don't know, so leave it. 4 secant theta comma b value 3 tan theta. Leave it. So here, what do you want? It gives us SLTR foci. SLTR foci of x square by 16 minus y square by 9 plus 1 equal to 0. If P is the point on hyperbola, then SP minus PT. Modulus of SP minus PT. Here, SP value. SP equal to, here, SP equal to EX1 minus A and PT value EX1 plus A. We find E. E means eccentricity. So here E equal to square root of A square plus B square by A. So that equal to square root of A square value 16 plus B square value 9 by A value 4. 16 plus 9 means 25 by 4. So here we get 5 by 4. E value 5 by 4. So here we find SP and PT. Therefore, SP is equal to EX1 minus A. EX1 means E means 5 by 4. 5 by 4 into A value here 4 secant theta minus A minus 4. This is the value of SP and PT value. PT equal to EX1 plus A. Just a symbol change. Here 4 cancelled. 5 secant theta plus 4. 5 secant theta plus 4. Both are same, just symbol change. So here, what do you want? Modulus SP minus PT. So SP minus PT value, modulus SP value, how much you get? 4 secant theta, 5 secant theta, 5 secant theta minus 4. Minus PT means symbols are changed. Minus 5 secant theta plus becomes to minus 4. 5 secant theta cancelled. Minus 4 modulus minus 8. That means we get here 8. So here modulus of SP minus PT value 8. This is the answer. Here we find the foursome solution. First of all, given hyperbola 2x square minus 3y square is equal to 12. Divide on both sides with 12. That means 2x square by 12 minus 3y square by 12 is equal to 12 by 12. 2 ones, 2 6, 3 ones, 3 fours, 12 ones, 12 ones. So here x square by 6 minus y square by 4 is equal to 1. Take this is first equation. After we take the given card, that is 4x minus 3y is equal to 5. Take this is equation 2. What do you want? The midpoint of the card. He wants us midpoint of this card of hyperbola. So here we find out midpoint of card. Midpoint of card means the points lie on this card. So first of all we eliminate here y value. Now we get x. So 4x, 5 take this side, it becomes to minus 5. Minus 3y take that side, becomes to plus 3y. So y equal to 4x minus 5 by 3. This value keep in the given hyperbola. Take this is 3 3 keeping 1, we get x square by 6 minus y value 4x minus 5 by 3 whole square. Here y square by 4 there, so into 1 by 4 is equal to 1. So here x square by 6 minus 4x minus 5 whole square by 3 square means 9. 9 into 4 is equal to 1. So here expand this x square by 6 minus, if you expand this bracket you get a minus b whole square. A square means 4x whole square, 16x square, 5 square means plus 25, 2ab minus 2ab, 2 4 jar 8, 8 5 jar 40 minus 40 x by 9 4 jar 36 is equal to 1. So here if you take LCM for 6 and 36, we get 36 only. 6 1 so 6 6 6 6 are 36. Okay, we get the LCM 36. So here take LCM, that is 36. 6 divides 6 times, so here 6x square minus 16x square minus 25 minus no minus plus 40x is equal to 1. 36 take the side, here 6x square minus 16x square, we get minus 10x square plus 40x minus 25 is equal to 36 take the side, 36 into 1, 36. Again 36 take this side, that means minus 10x square plus 40x minus 25 minus 36 is equal to 0. So here minus 10x square plus 40x, adding both we get here 61 minus 61 is equal to 0. Okay, here we find one thing. Suppose this card there, ending points of this card, that means the extremes of this card is, let x1 comma y1, x2 comma y2 are extremes of card, that means your card 2. Here x1 comma x2 are roots of this equation. Suppose take this is equation 3 complete means here take 4. x1 comma x2 are roots of equation 4. So here we find sum of the roots. Sum of the roots means x1 plus x2 is equal to minus b by a. So that equal to b means 40, minus b means minus 40 by a means minus 10. 10 ones, 10 fours, minus also cancel. We get 4. Here x1 plus x2 is equal to 4. But here we find midpoint. Midpoint means x1 plus x2 by 2. So midpoint of x1 comma x2 is x1 plus x2 by 2. So here x1 plus x2 value 4 by 2, we get here 2. So we get 1 point. So here, suppose this one is take x1. Suppose if we take this, x is equal to 2. This midpoint is 2. This x value is lie on this card. So put x is equal to in given card. So here 4 into 2 minus 3y is equal to 5. 4 2s are here, 8 minus 3y equal to 5. 5 take this side, 3y take this side. 8 minus 5 equal to 3y. 3 equal to 3y. So here y equal to 3 by 3, 1. So here midpoint of card, that is x value. How much you get to 2 comma y value 1. This is the midpoint of the given card. So 4 solution also completed. Finally, I explain last one. First of all, they given hyperbola. So here given hyperbola x square minus 3y square is equal to 144. Divide on both sides here. With 144 we get x square by 144 minus 3y square by 144 equal to 144 by 144. 144 ones, 144 ones. 3 ones, 3 4 jar 12, 24, 3 8 jar 24. So here x square by 144 minus y square by 48 equal to 1. Take this is 1. Here a square is equal to 144. That implies a equal to square root of 144, you get 12. Similarly, b square is equal to 48. That implies b equal to square root of 48. 48 means 16 3 jar. Square root of 48 means square root of 16 into 3. For 16 square root 4 root 3. So here we get the value of b also. Finally, what do you want? He wants us equation of normal at the positive end point of the lattice rectum. So here we find the coordinate point of lattice rectum. So here lattice rectum point means we find also eccentricity. Here E is equal to square root of a square plus b square by a. A square value 144, square root of 144 plus b square value 48 by a value 12. Adding you get 4 plus 8 12, 4 plus 4 8 plus 1 9, 1. Square root of 192 by 12. 192 can be written as 64 into 3. 3 4 jar 12, 3 6 are 18 plus 1, 19. So here square root of 192 means square root of 64 into 3. For 64, square root 8 into 3. So here square root 8 root 3. 8 root 3 by 12. Here 4 2 jar, 4 3 jar. So we get here 2 root 3 by 3. So here we find the positive end point of lattice rectum. Positive end point of lattice rectum. That is on x-axis AE, on y-axis b square by a only. So here AE, a means how much? 12. 12 into e value here 2 root 3 by 3, comma b square value b square 48. 48 by a value here 12. 3 ones, 3 fours, 12 ones, 12 fours. We get here 4 2 are 8, 8 root 3, comma 4. What is ladder circum? End point of ladder circum. What do you want? Equation of normal at the positive end point of ladder circum. So equation of normal. Equation of normal. Equation of normal of hyperbola. Get 8 root 3 comma 4 is here formula a square x by x1 plus b square y by y1 is equal to a square plus b square. This point x1, this point y1. So here a square value 144 x by x1 value 8 root 3 plus b square value 48 y by y1 value here 4 is equal to a square means 144 plus b square means 48. 144 plus 48. A square value 144, b square value 48. So here 8 ones, 8 1 are 8, 64, 8 8 are 64. Here also 4 ones, 4 12 are. So here we get here 18x by root 3 plus 12y by 12y by 1 is equal to 144 plus 48 means we get 192. Here divide on both sides with 60 we get 6 3 jar, 6 2 jar, 6 3 jar 18, 6 2 jar. We get here 3x by root 3 plus 2y is equal to 32. Root 3 once, here 3 cancel root 3 times. So finally answer. Root 3x plus 2y is equal to 32. This is the equation of normal at the positive end of the lattice circum of the hyperbola x square minus 3y square is equal to 144. This is the equation of normal. This is the solution for today's problem. I hope that all of you like this. Up to now, who are not subscribed, please subscribe till Achievers. Thanks for watching.